The next adaptive feature you will learn is the adaptation of the camels. Now, camel is actually the main animal or mammal which are staying in the desert. So, they can be also said as the sheep of the desert because miles after miles are being, the luggages as well as the human also being transported through the camels. So these camels are in the desert. Definitely, there must be certain features of these camels which are useful for them to adapt in the desert environment. Here are different pictures where you can see about different features which are shown by them. Just I will explain those features. Now, first one is they have a wide feet. Why? If you try to walk on the sand, what will happen? You will sink because we don't have that type of foot structure which can adjust us to walk on the sand or walk fast on the sand. Camels have these large feet which help them to walk on the sand without sinking. The next thing is that it's a very interesting thing which camels have, that is their long eyelashes, that and also slit nostril, and all these and also they are having another hairy structure on the ear. Now all these structures, why are they present in the camels? Because they want to protect these internal organs from the sand storm, because in the desert the wind quality is or wind speed is very high. Along with the wind, it carries a lot of sand with it. So if the sand gets into our eyes or ears, that can damage. So to protect those vulnerable important sense organs, these animals have long hairs which acts as a protection. And the protruding bones on their forehead act much like a sun visor, which helps to keep sunlight out of their eyes. It's just like a shade. If they are moving towards the east direction and sun rises or sun ray directly coming into their eyes, that will be difficult for these animals to handle. So they have these special characters which by which way they can protect the sun light. The color of their bodies help them to blend into their environment, which protect them from predators. This is a very interesting features. See the concept of coloration and mimicry. That means what? They have changed over the years, they have changed or they have adapted in such body colors which are suiting or which are matching with the surrounding. If you see the camel, they are light biscuit colors, and the sand is also golden light biscuit colors on that way. So they are very much alike with the surrounding, which help the camel to save themselves from the attack of the predators. They are adapted to survive a long time without water and food, because they have an extremely large intestine that absorb every last drop of water from the food they eat. This is again a very interesting feature. See, the food and the water both are very scarce in the desert, and also camels had to take a long distance where in between they won't get the appropriate food and the water. So if this condition remains, camel will die. So it has developed its own adaptive mechanism, that is they can take a very fast, very swift water, as well as the food remains in their long intestine, which helps them to survive in the desert condition. The fat in their hump The hump structure is another very important structure of the camel. Now, many of us, maybe many of us are having the idea that these hump are made up of water. No, actually, this is actually break down to supply the body with energy when it is needed. If they cannot find food, camel use this fat to produce energy. That means food gives us energy. But if the camels are not getting food for long time, then what will the camel do? The fats which is stored into their humps are now releases energy, which gives the energy to survive in the hostile environment. When full of fat, the hump stands up. You must have seen the picture with the hump. That time the hump is full of fat. But when empty, it is just a loose flap of the airy skin. You must have not seen the pictures because characteristically we can identify the camel with its hump only. So this is the feature that when the hump is full of fat, it stands up, but when the hump is empty, then it it droops down, or it is just a loose flap. And and I was telling one thing, that is camel has got a very powerful mechanism by which it can drink water very quickly. How quickly? That means it can drink 200 liters of water, that is in the 3 minutes. 200 liters means almost 53 gallons of water that can be taken in 3 minutes. So directly they don't store the water in the hump, but also the hump is actually the reservoir of the fat tissue. Hope everything is clear to you now about the adaptive pattern of the camels and the cactus in the desert, and how they are adjusted to survive long in the desert environment. In my next class, we'll continue with some other type of adaptive features. Thank you.